Here's my baby. He pushes his chair around all day long now.
All day long now.
He's gonna be walking soon. Whoa! Sean! Come on! Then he gets mad, then he gets stuck. Let's turn it around. Come here. Come on. Stand up. Well, now he's going to be stuck on that side.
He wants to stand up.
Uh-oh. Now you're stuck that way. Here, stand up. Stand up. Sean, where are you?
He wants to stand up.
He's going to be walking soon. He's 11 months old tomorrow. Sean. Oh, there's your water. You took that out. Hi. Big boy. Here. Let's turn this around. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Good boy. You're not standing up. Boom. Stand up. Stand up. You're strong. Put him on the end, facing this way. Pick him up, put him on the end. Push up. I don't want you to push up.
Did I feel you back there?
Sorry, we're eating. She's eating some cereal.
And he's dragging the chair.
He likes to beg for food too, don't you? You like food, huh? Oh, here. Put it this way. Whee! All right, stand up. Stand all the way up. Here, stand up. Whee! Stand up. Oh, now you're going to do the knees. You've been standing up all day pushing it. Now you're going to go on your knees. Sean, stand up. Sean. Johnny. You're getting a workout, buddy. Those knees need a break. Stand up. Stand up, Sean. That darn chair getting in your way, huh? Ready? Whee! Oh. Stand up. Stand up. He moves his high chair around too. Who needs a walker? When you have chairs and high chairs. Stand up. Shawnee. Yeah, and he likes to get in the cupboard, but we have these things on here now. You can't get in, can you? Stand up. I see you. Stand up. Sean, look at Mama. Hi, cutie. I'm videotaping you. Stand up. Let me see you. Come up here. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay, now go. Ready? Come on. Okay. Go. Come on. Push it. Sean, come on. Come here. You're going to be walking soon. That's the wrong way. Here, come this way. That's a big old burp, huh? Even that sippy cup, you can get around it, huh? You're wearing socks. We need to get you the socks with the grippers. Look at those chubby thighs. I need to put some new mover slider things on the bottom of that chair. Wow. We've swept today, now we're gonna mop. But we haven't yet. Need to get some more things out of the way. It's hard to mop when there's a baby awake too. Hard to do anything with the baby. Come on. Stand up. We did a bunch of stuff when he was sleeping, but he don't sleep long enough sometimes. You are silly. What? What? Here, turn this way. Sean, stand up. Come here. Stand up. Hey, stand up.